Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Surrounded by lush gardens in a prime district, this 3,500 square feet residence already exudes calm, restorative vibes. What the family needed from Dennis Cheok, creative director of UPSTRS, was to reconfigure the apartment's sprawling plan of isolated nooks and crannies that had become neglected with disuse into a cohesive, welcoming space. Their passion for Japanese culture is evident through their carefully curated collection of antiques, furniture, and artifacts which add character to the home. So, it was not surprising when they had a precise brief to create a modern ryokan with Scandinavian touches. A large living area, delineated into zones by sunken floor plates and elevated platforms, evokes the layered spaces of a ryokan. Comfortable, oversized sofas create an inviting atmosphere for family time, while a levitating Naguri textured plinth, hand-carved out of Japanese chestnut, is both an entrance step into the lounge as well as a tatami seating platform when the situation calls for it. The open-concept kitchen features a 5 long island counter to enable a direct connection from food preparation to the counter seats or to the dining table. The result is a delightful communal space for family members to interact effortlessly with each other. The Saigai pattern is featured on a screen and satin glass, which bring warm light into this transitional space that connects the living area to the bedrooms. Like a welcoming Japanese inn, the cozy master bedroom is clad in timber panels. Taking cues from how one would live in a ryokan, the furnishing is intentionally kept low to the ground. Varied strips of Japanese chestnut timber forms a low bedhead with artistic flair. A tatami ledge, on which a low tea table is located, delineates the bedroom, bathroom and balcony. Echoing the theme in the hallway, a Saigai screen divides the rest area from the master bathroom.